Give me the Benz of the Bentley. What? Give me the Benz of the Bentley. What? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And this video is sponsored by BareMoonLashes. Okay, they are black owned, and I do have both lashes in Kaya and Quana. So I'll leave down below which lash I have, which lash I'm putting on now. So I'm just basically showing you guys how I put on my lashes. A lot of people have been asking me, and I figured I'd do a video. So usually I like to use my hair glue, okay, and I like to use one of those eyelash applicators that help you, you know, pick up the lash and place it where you need to. And me, I like my nails long, so usually if I have nails, I'll just use it as a tool to place it in place. And as you guys can see, I'm looking down and not up. I'm looking down into a mirror so that you can place it right. Like once you guys start, you guys will see that when you look down into a mirror, not all the way down, but a little down, that you get the right placement that you need. Okay, and then I like to put mascara on my real lashes, like right underneath it, just so it can look more seamless, and that way you won't see any of my lash. As you guys can see, my lash turned pink from the eyeshadow. So this is just to bring out your eyes more and just to intensify the lash. And doing your lashes is pretty easy, guys. I mean, it took me a year to learn, but I got it. Sometimes I still struggle because sometimes my eyes might be a little watery. So okay, this is how I put mine on. I put my hair glue onto the strip, not too much, not too little. And then I place it on my eye. So I couldn't see, but yeah. I just couldn't see, so I just decided to just use my nails. If you guys like my nails, I did do these nails myself. Click the link down below to see how I achieved these cute acrylic nails. And if you like my hair, click the link down below to get details on my hair as well. So I really like these lashes because they are nice and big and fluffy and great quality. And guys, if you guys buy these lashes, they're only $10. Okay, $9.99, okay, period. And it's black owned, why not? These are 25mm mink lashes. They're full, they're fluffy, and the packaging is just bomb. Like, you can't get past the packaging. And me, I prefer, honestly, I prefer to wear strips because they are just better for me, okay? Like, you can take them on, take them off, put them on, like whenever you want, and I just like that, and they don't affect your lashes. You don't want lashes that affect your lashes. So I'm taking the spoolie, this came with the lashes, and I'm just combing my lashes and making them nice and fluffy, okay? And yeah, voila, you're done, okay sis, you're done. Very full, very nice. I love these lashes a lot. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a big fat thumbs up. Go check out at BareMoonLashes on Instagram and tell them Glam sent you, okay? Use my discount code, which will be down below, and have a great day.